in a little mini mozzarella bar. I am making one of the best Italian recipes and satisfying that I can think of. So I'm doing a Salsa Romesco, which is a Spanish red pepper sauce. I'm doing an Italian-inspired Basil Pesto. I'm doing a caperberry relish, and I'm doing a Black Olive Tapenade, which is, for the most part, kind of a French condiment. All right, so I'm gonna start out by charring my peppers, which I'm gonna do directly over the flame until they're completely black on all sides. So while my peppers are going, I'm going to toast the nuts that I need for the romesco. That's gonna be hazelnuts and almonds. And then at the same time, I'm gonna toast pine nuts that I'm gonna be using for the basil pesto, which is the second sauce. So I'm gonna toast these nuts, both in the romesco and in the basil pesto.